Welcome everyone to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 4th, 2021. You can see from our price chart, we're going to talk about Tesla today, give you all our price prediction, update, or forecast into the market so that we can be in preparation of where the market's going to go so that we can win in the market. You guys can already tell we got a prediction ongoing in the market for this particular stock. Are we going to keep it? Are we going to get rid of it? We'll talk about that momentarily. And we're also going to look at this article from Market Watch to where Tesla stock slides deeper into the red after a report that China orders have been halved. We're going to talk about that and see if that really has an impact on Tesla's price, or are they just simply trying to grab at some type of narrative to justify the weakness in Tesla when we've already expected that all the way back on May the 14th. So before I break all of that down, if y'all appreciate the videos and the content, we're here. You want to join our community, you're more than welcome. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. To do that, tap that bell notification as well so you become notified whenever we upload our videos. You can join us at HueFinancial.com as well. We got a website that you all can participate in there too. So real quick, let's go and look at this article, and then at the end we'll break down our prediction in Tesla. So this article came out yesterday. As the title reads, Tesla stock slides deeper into the red after a report that China orders have been halved. The information, which I think is based out of China, reported that the Silicon Valley electric car makers' vehicles orders in China fell by nearly half in May compared with April, citing internal data. Tesla has faced a backlash in China in recent months over how it handled consumer concerns about the safety and quality of its cars. They're trying to spin this negative narrative on Tesla stock, and also has had to grapple with more competition from Chinese EV makers such as NIO. Last month, the China Passenger Car Association said that Tesla sold 25,845 vehicles made in China vehicles, and while a year-on-year comparison wasn't available, that still represented Tesla sales drop of 27% from March, and worse than 12% month-on-month decline in overall electric vehicle sales. So pretty much all they're trying to tell you is that this is the reason why Tesla stock went down. But when you look at the chart, Tesla has already been in a downtrend. So that small amount of information, that small amount of data does not coincide with the decrease in value Tesla has seen since February, right? The market value in Tesla stock has dropped 36% since January 25th, 2021. This market has been in a downtrend. So while they're trying to spin this negative narrative as to why Tesla stock went down, you shouldn't be surprised. We don't need you to give us numerical data as to why Tesla value or the stock has been decreasing. We can see that visually from a chart. I don't need to know that their sales has been halved in China. I don't need to know that their month-on-month of 12% month-on-month decline. That has already been determined by the market. Everyone sees the same type of information, preferably those who have billions upon billions of dollars at their disposal. You don't think that they're anticipating that that's going to continue? The value of Tesla stock has already been determined in the long term. People have already placed their bets into the market as to what they think Tesla's going to do. Day-to-day information is not going to alter that. These massive hedge funds that have billions of dollars invested in these companies don't move on those type of events. Don't move on these day-to-day numbers that these articles come out with. They've already expected that. Right? So with us looking at our price prediction, which we did on, the May 18th, we were already in position. Now, initially, we didn't see the value of Tesla go down, but rather the market came and sustained this upward trend, right? This ascending line. This market in Tesla is trying to hold that. We break that. We understand that the market in Tesla will go a lot lower in price. So we're still pretty much in position to capitalize on that weakness. So as I go through these time frames, we need to see if the weakness is going to break that ascending line lower. We need to be in position to catch that. So let's look at this on a weekly time frame real quick. And this is the weekly time frame. And this market here in Tesla is still weak. I don't need to read articles upon articles and look at analyst reports just to see that. What we're getting to the market in Tesla is still weakness. And it's to the point to where the market is not anticipated to hold $560. We're definitely expecting the market in Tesla to break this ascending line, break $560, and possibly come all the way down here to 505, give or take, which we were already in position on May the 18th. And that's going to give us around 13, almost 12.75% profitability, right? So look at the market in Tesla on how we close on a monthly time frame. All of these months, starting from January, Tesla has been giving us nothing but weakness. These big institutions are selling their shares in Tesla. They're not buying. It's pretty much what we're getting. Okay. And from a monthly basis, I mean, let's look at this on a weekly real quick. And here on a weekly basis, this is the trend, right? This is the current trend. And it looks scary for the value of Tesla, that this market is still anticipated to go lower. And now we're testing the overall trend that this market in Tesla has been in since March of 2020. A year ago, we've been following this market in Tesla go higher in price. And now we're right back to where we are testing the trend. So what do you all think? It's relatively simple and easy. You don't need to have 7, 8, 9, 10 indicators on your chart just to see what's going on. The market speaks to us. If you understand the language, you already know what to expect. And from what we're looking at on these time frames, the market is telling us that the value of Tesla is still anticipated to go lower. Right? So we're going to continue to ride with our forecast. Nothing has changed. The market here in Tesla is still harnessing to us weakness. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend it out just a little bit though. Okay. And let the market continue to work itself out. But yeah, the market in Tesla is still weak. So what do you all think? Where do you think Tesla's going to go? Let's do it in the next 3 weeks. I mean, we're still in position to anticipate market weakness. I want to know what you all think. You need to call the market for yourself and anticipate where Tesla's going to go so that you can profit. So let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.